Welcome to page 16 of Accel Pkt number 3. On this page, we're going to solve some equations. There's two techniques for solving this type of equation. The first technique is to use the distributive property. Let's take a closer look at number 1. There are two techniques for solving equations. The first technique we will apply to problem number 1, and we will review the second technique for problem number 2. Drop a dotted line down problem number 1, and let's begin. The first technique is to actually apply the distributive property. Put a 1 in front of the x, and we are going to multiply each term by 2 in order to eliminate the parentheses. 2 times 1 gives us 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. We've eliminated the parentheses, and now we're ready to solve. Simply subtract 6 from both sides. We get 2x equals 20. And then, of course, divide both sides by 2. We get a final answer of x equals 20 divided by 2. Well, our answer is 10. So our first technique was to actually distribute the 2. But there is a second approach. You could simply get rid of the 3 by using the inverse operation. In order to eliminate the 3 and not have to distribute it, you can divide the right side by 3 and you can divide the left side by 3. What we get is x plus 1 remaining on the right side, and in fact you can put a 1 in front of the x, and on the left side 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. Now we're ready to solve. Take away 1 from both sides, and our x is now alone. 5 take away 1 is 4. So using the second technique, we eliminate the value in front of the parentheses by dividing both sides by that value. So you're going to complete this sheet on your own. You will complete problems 3 through 8. For problems 3 through 8, try using the second technique. In this first problem, problem 3, you would certainly want to eliminate the 4. After you drop a dotted line, you know that you need to divide each side by 4. And what you're left with is x plus 1 equals 24 divided by 4 gives us 6, and then finish out the problem by taking away 1 from both sides. Pause the video, continue using technique number 2 on your own, and when you're ready, turn the video back on and correct your work. Please pause the video right now. Let's check your work. For number 3, you should have gotten x equals 5. Give yourself a star if that's correct, or a C. For number 4, 5 equals x. For number 5, x equals 5. For number 6, 9 equals x. For number 7, x equals 2. And for number 8, you should have gotten 10 equals x. This concludes this page